Hi everyone, my name is Omar Al-Rafai. I'm a senior engineer. Today I wanted to give you a quick look at our HALT and HASS time compressor test chambers and why they're such a powerful tool for improving product reliability. HALT testing helps us uncover design weaknesses early by pushing products through rapid temperature changes and intense 6-axis vibration. It's all about finding failures fast so teams can make improvements long before launch. On the manufacturing side, HASS testing screens for issues like faulty components or supplier changes, helping prevent costly out-of-box failures. Our time compressor chambers deliver rapid heating and cooling, realistic vibration profiles, and come loaded with convenience and safety features, including the EZT570 controller for easy monitoring and control. If you want to speed up development, ruggedize your product, and boost reliability, our HALT and HASS chambers are ready to help. Contact us to learn more.